Hello and welcome to DutchCrafters FAQs. Today's question, what is distressing? Distressing creates an aged appearance for a time-worn vintage look. Distressing techniques can vary by woodshop, but all offer light to heavy distressing as well as alternative methods like hand planing, hand hewing, sandblasting, or wire brushing. Standard distressing involves the woodworker, and they're truly artists, using tools on the surface of the wood to create a look that simulates the wear of decades of use. Light distressing involves sanding to simulate wear and adding small nicks, indentations, and pinholes, often covered in a hand-rubbed glaze. Heavy distressing, by contrast, adds a heavy amount of nicks, pinholes, and indentations, along with wormholes, rasp markings, and even sometimes simulated cracks. Two popular alternative methods that we offer are hand planing and hand hewing, which bring out the natural character of the wood by roughing up the surface with blades. Hand planing uses a wide, flat blade, and hand hewing uses a curved, narrow blade. Wire brushing is another favorite, and a wire brush is run over the surface of the wood along the wood grain before it's finished to create long, clean lines in the wood, and this produces a weathered and worn look. The sandblasting technique is where sand is shot through a machine at a high rate of speed, and it's shot across the surface of the wood. Sandblasting raises the grain for an uneven tone with a smooth finish. Learn the techniques of light to heavy distressing in our blog post, Wood Furniture Finishes, or check out our Distressed Hardwoods page in the Learning Center. If you have any questions about distressing or what these techniques can do for your furniture, give us a call at 866-272-6773, or drop us an email at DutchCrafters.com, or leave us a comment below. I'm Beth Rice for DutchCrafters. Thanks so much for watching.